Hello, this video is for Mediation Institute members to show you how to let us know that you either want to add or remove your name from public directories or visibility internally to other members. So go to mimembers.au and log in. Once you've logged in, you'll go straight to your dashboard. Once you're there, click on My Settings. From My Settings, click on the blue Edit button. In the Edit section, you'll need to scroll down a little bit, but while you're there, just check to make sure all your information's correct. If the cell's greyed out, that means you'd need to contact us to edit, and if it's white, you can edit directly. If you are changing your email address or phone number though, please also send an email to members@mediationinstitute.edu.au to let us know so we can update our other records. If you're a nationally accredited mediator, we'll have to update the National Register so that you get your reminder email from them as well. Once you've scrolled down, you'll see this box that allows you to let us know that you don't want a public profile. Just click on it, that'll colour in, and that's all you need to do. If you want to not have a public profile, but you do want to be visible to members in the members area, please get in touch and we'll manage that. Also, if you have any questions at all about your membership with Mediation Institute, you can contact members@mediationinstitute.edu.au. If you'd like us to make some more little videos like this one, please let us know.